Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't worry, I'm not on fire, it's just a bad job. I'm going to be talking about Beard Kit I bought, which showed up yesterday. I've had a look to see what's in it. I haven't used any of it just yet. But just a quick look at box. Box standard black box, sleeve box. Got my logo, name, blah 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 blah. Name of the kit, natural apparently. Yeah, but you know. That side, languages. On that side, batch number and all that good stuff. On back, shows you what's in it, ingredients. I'm not going to go in ingredients because, you know, some of it I can't even pronounce. Let's whack it open. I've already have, so the box is going to be a little bit battered. Oh, there's the comb. I mean brush and comb. That's the beard wash, balm, oil, brush, obviously. User manual, worth reading if you're new to, you know, beard kids kind of stuff. Warranty, I haven't even seen this appear with any other kids before. Comb, obviously a beard wash, just pop them down here. Beard balm, I'm going to go into these in a minute. Beard oil, I won't get off at that side. Scissors, bog standard scissors, nothing special there. Shaping, beard shaping tool. I think that's mustache brush, I could be wrong. I haven't used it, obviously. And sack, so you put all these jars in it. We're not going to review in sack, but it feels like it's like a canvassy. Scissors, just feels like the bog standard ones. Comb. Come on, it didn't take me that long to do that. Cheaply made. But don't worry, I've got other combs, so... Well, I didn't even put much effort into that. Jeez. I'm not going to try and snap this. But brush, and I would say I used it for before. I'm not quite, you know, don't know what to think about that one. It's not even cheap, it's like made out of lollipop sticks. So yeah, I don't know, I might be needing that one in a minute. Let's have a quick look at the beard wash ingredients. Oh, this will be easier, better than me reading on the back of this. Let's have a look. Water, kernel oil, wherever that is, menthol, I'm assuming that's menthol, algae extract, whatever that is, jojoba oil, I probably said that wrong, but who cares, leaf extract, blah blah blah, nobilis flower extract, lots of those, don't know what that is, rosemary, essential oil, I'm assuming, butane, why is butane in it? Glycol, propylene glycol, sodium citric acid, argan oil, I probably said that wrong, and box is obviously got all the icons at the bottom, recyclable, hasn't been tested on animals, I can never remember what that means, the CE, what does that say? That's how much is in it. It's really tiny, so you're probably not going to see it. Up front, got your logo, what it is. Oh, natural gentleman. I'm sure it is. What it is. Box is the bog standard black. It's 60 mils. Apparently. Back it out. Woo! Jesus. How much spent? Bog standard beard wash bottles these days. Let's have a look. Check it up. I think this is the same. I think it's sweet orange. I'm not gonna do it because obviously, you know, put it back in its stinky little box. The most part I normally use, minus beard wash now and then. I don't use this. Box again, pretty much box standard. Caution: keep out of reach of children. Discontinued use will experience redness, skin irritation. Consult your doctor to avoid direct contact with eyes. Rinse with warm water immediately if you get any eyes. It's good to know. It says, I'm going to read what it says minus what I've just said, because of course to me I went straight there. On back it says, even the beardless beards can be tamed with our highly quality organic beard shampoo. Oh, I put one in the wrong one. Beard shampoo. I'm so confused. Yeah, I think that would be on this one, because that's the beard shampoo. This is the oil. So, okay. Make your beard more manageable from the very first use. The beard softener oil will make your beard less gross and not abrasive, whatever that is. I think abrasive means, I don't know, dry. It also treats split ends well, wherever they come, natural or cured after shave. Okay, that's that about red or caution part about. Directions: rub a few drops between palm of your hands, gently work the oil into your beard, goatee, moustache, depth of your skin. To finish, where is it? This is where this comes in. To finish, groom the beard down with style. You use this, not like it says it on box. Ingredients: tea tree oil, tea tree leaf oil. Okay. Grapeseed oil, jojoba seed oil, hydrated sweet almond oil, citrus, which is oil, Jesus, orange essential oils. Pretty much same style of box, not quite between that. Bottle, you know, it's a 1 ounce bottle, so this is going to take me 3 months to use. Ingredients, pretty much what's there, pretty much what it says on the back of the box. Jesus Christ. So a quick sniff. I can't, there's no scent on it whatsoever. You know, it says sweet orange oil on back. There's no scent in it whatsoever. I like the glass eye dripper thingy, Bobby. I can't remember what it's called. There's no scent whatsoever on it, and I'm not using it yet. So this is just me first thoughts. So the little drip. I'm not putting it in my beard now. I'll do that later, off camera. Just let's have a look. No, there's literally no sense to it whatsoever. There's a little bit like musk from the carrier oils, but I can't smell the orange. It's, yeah. I'm going to put some on my eyebrows. Let's get rid of all that. So that's the oil. Let's have a look at the balm. Oh, I'm getting too close to camera again. My apologies. Let's have a look at. Get out of the box. Alright, the free up box. Ingredients: beeswax, yellow. I'm expecting this is going to be like a yellowish. Not clear what that means. Shea butter. Grape seed oil, coconut oil, kernel oil, whatever that is, jojoba, seed oil. It's basically it's in oil anyway. Where am I? That's where I am now. Cedarwood oil. Not a clue what that is. Cocoa, well, I don't know. Can't say that. Rosemary, leaf house extract, lavender. No, that's not lavender. Yeah, it is lavender. Tea tree oil, rosemary again. Sweet orange. It's this that smell like goddamn orange. Focus on bugs, blah 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 blah. Benefits. Let's read out benefits. Natural ingredients, keeps your hair conditioned, smooth, soft. It helps keep follicles moist. I've just triggered some people because some people hate that word, but you know I don't care. Promotes growth from inside out. What? From inside out. Well, duh. It's not going to go outside in. Use it frequently and see your beard strengthen and your hair growth boost. Get rid of its coarse texture and improves appearance. Still haven't been tested on animals. Except kind of assumed because every other one's been. Directions. I don't know what to do. I'm not reading it. I might as well read them out. Directions. This amazing balm helps. That's not directions. That's basically just following what it said off and back. That's not directions. I can't even get it out of the box. No, fuck it. I'm just going to butcher the box. See? Butchered it. I can't take that one. This is going to be tricky. Ooh. It's a. I think. Yeah, it's 1 point. It's basically an ounce tub. Front, back, and it's like the most balms. Jesus Christ, tell them they're supposed to get this off. Jesus fucking H Christ. Pardon me French. I can't even get it fucking open. Ah! No, I've got no idea. I can't get it open that way. Jesus Christ, man. That's not going to work either. Wow. How the fuck are you supposed to get this open? Ah. God damn. My God. I probably just wrecked the freaking tub now. But Jesus. There, fuck me. That was a pain in the ass. There you go. Finally. It's not as yellow as I thought. And this, oh, I still can't fucking smell fucking orange. I might actually put a little bit in. To me, just a little bit on front. Probably put too much in. I can get that off easily, huh? So I do it from me. This is how I do it. I've got oil in it and not that stuff. Let's see. It's all gone. So what I do just go. I don't normally put it in my tash bit because, you know, I do it like this. Get it underneath. Until I can not feel any on my fingers. And some on my eyebrows because they're always a mess. Don't know why I put it on my cheeks, but you know, I fucking put some in my tash. Like that. Part of the comb that bit of crap, and then I'll comb it down you know, all the loose hairs flattened down. That's them. And that's half foot comb gone. And then I'll go over the top. Probably done it the other way around, but no, other people don't, but so I do it. Yeah, that's how I use it. Okay, so cons and pros. Let's start with cons. It's got sweet orange in it, apparently. No scent whatsoever. And the comb, poorly made. It's like they've just plastered a lot of recycled lollipop sticks. What I'm about to say is kind of nitpicking, but on the oil, it's got talking about shampoo, which you'd expect them to put on the beard wash one or beard shampoo one, whichever you want to call it, but I call it beard shampoo. So that's out of the way. Minus the scent of the oils and thingy, because even though you say it's got sweet orange in it, you might put that in it, but you get me, I get the idea. And there's some ingredients on pack of each. I don't know what it is, but you know, it's too late. I've got it in my beard now, but you know, I've had worse in there. Pros. I like how they throw in this in the warranty. I can show you that because I've already done it. If you order on for Amazon, links down below, you get one of these in it, and you can get freebies. But you have to fill out survey, that kind of jazz. Use your manual. This is kind of first. Never seen this in a kit before. It's normally like an ebook. Well, like I said, in the beginning of the video, worth a read if you're new to beard kits, and I'm sure you know how to use it anyway. Back to another con. Oh, fuck it. Look at that. Look what I had to do just to get that bloody thing open. Normally you have to twist it and whatnot. Fuck, you didn't fucking move. Right. Fucking. Oh yeah, I know how to use these, but I'm never going to use that bloody thing. That bit. I like the style of the box. The bag seems okay. The box was easy to get open. I'll probably give this a try tomorrow. Yeah. It's not a bad kit, to be honest. If you want something cheap, unscented, and you want a really cheap ass comb, yeah, give it a go, I guess. It only cost like, I think it was around about 11 to 14 quid ish. I've left the link in thinking about down below, so if you really want to get it, go for it. Yeah. I'm just so bummed at the comb. I've got other combs like, but jeez, this made the comb much more stronger. I didn't even put much power behind that, just like thinking about. But yeah, anyway guys, that's that for today's video. I'll probably see you couple of weeks, maybe week or two, where I'll go into depth of each one of these, the beard oil, beard wash, beard shampoo, and all that kind of jazz, and give you my proper thoughts on them. So they'll be in a separate video itself. This was just my thoughts on the kit and blah 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 blah. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I'll see you next one. Bye bye.